So this next feature has to do with direct booking URLs for events. So to get there, what we want to do is just go up to our app drawer, click on that, go to setup, click there. Then we're just going to navigate to events and click within events. Once there, we're just going to find the event that we want. So Ryan's test event. Then you want to navigate to your advanced settings, which we can see here. Then right underneath advanced settings, we're going to have client online booking. And then we're going to have disable booking online. So if we select disable booking online, we can see that there is a new option here. So there is an on-off slider for only clients with the direct booking URL can book online. So meaning if this is enabled or turned on, then only clients with the direct booking URL will be able to book that event online. If it's turned off, then they will not be able to. So let's take a look at that together. So if I have this selected as on, then I go down and I copy the direct booking URL, I can just open up another window. So with the other window open, we can just paste that in. And we can see that we can enroll in that class. So if we go back into the same event, underneath client online booking, again, disable booking is selected. Let's just try that with it off. So now with it off, we're going to go down. We're actually going to save first. We're going to go back into the event. I'm going to go down. Like I said, it is off right now for this feature. We will click on the direct booking URL to copy it to clipboard. And then we're just going to open up another window. So we opened up the other window. We're just going to copy and paste that in. And you'll see that the event is not available to me anymore because we selected that on-off slider as off.